Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. After some early rain along the southern coastline, we're expecting the area to see some clearance later on, but from around Port Elizabeth all across the east coast and the adjacent interior, it's going to remain cloudy today, and along with that, rain is expected for those areas. That rain will spread northwards towards parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga by this evening, while on the Highveld it'll be another partly cloudy day, and the usual summertime thunderstorms will be developing. Further westwards, on the other hand, temperatures remaining very high once again, but drier weather expected towards the extreme west of the country. Now, the South African Weather Service continues to issue a warning for a high fire danger for today over parts of the Northern Cape as well as in the Northwest Province, and this area may see runaway fires developing, particularly in the afternoon. Rainfall probabilities now indicating that chance for rain along the south coast, that will start seeing some clearance during the afternoon hours. Rain along the eastern coastline throughout the day and spreading northwards towards the Lowveld, while we're expecting scattered thunder showers across the eastern escarpments, including around the Drakensberg. Isolated storms in Johannesburg and Pretoria as well as Mahikeng. Similar conditions for Bloemfontein, De Aar and Kimberley as we head into the Northern Cape. Maximum temperatures indicating another hot day for the central and western interior, many places in the mid to upper 30s. It will also be hot in Gauteng this afternoon. Johannesburg gets to 30 degrees, but it's going to be cooler for the Eastern Cape, mid to lower 20s for much of the province. Georgia along the south coast as well, reaching a high of 24. Now for your detailed coastal weather, and we're expecting it to be quite windy for some parts along the west coast, 35 kilometers per hour in Namaqualand and Langebaan, and an open ocean swell of 3 meters is expected for this region. Further south, and those swells will be somewhat higher, between 3 and 3.5 meters, coming in with a long period of about 14 seconds, and it's going to be a windy day around the peninsula, particularly in False Bay, with a 40 kilometer per hour southerly to southeasterly wind. We're expecting a bit of an onshore flow along the south coast for today, moderate in speed between 25 and 30 kilometers per hour, and it's going to be a poor beach day along the east coast, mainly due to the extensive cloud cover and the good chance for rain across this region. A southwesterly wind of 30 kilometers per hour is expected for both Durban and Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.